welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy on G by Nancy. I wanted to show you how to create this super quick makeup look. I know sometimes we're in a rush, but we still want to look cute. All I did was eyeliner, a little lipstick, a little foundation, eyebrows. I'm going to show you how I did the wing eyeliner, so if you'd like to see how I did that, please keep watching. Please remember to like this video if you enjoy it. Please remember to subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think, if you'd like me to make more videos, what kind of videos. And yeah, let's get to it, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. It was a super cute, super quick makeup tutorial. I know I really like to look cute, but sometimes I run out of time. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to give me that like, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell so you know when I make new videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.